this, but I'm gonna make these longer, so I'm gonna solder some wires on here and run them through the what's the name. I might even make a quick connect over here, quick disconnect, so I don't gotta worry about nothing. So that's going in the trash. This all the stuff I'm keeping. Basically stripped it out, you know. Just put that up just for now. Vacuum and start laying stuff down. So now I'm on this side and I'm finna see what I need and don't need on this side. Can't have no rust, but this is the back seat. Oh, I'm trying to get it. There you go. This is the back seat area, and I ain't running seats. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with this yet. So we gonna see, Look like putty. Boom. I'm gonna smash this back down with a hammer. But in the meantime, I'm finna vacuum. Alright, just vacuum, and that's how good she look. Now I'm able to really see the imperfections. Let me get off in here so it can adjust. Oh, it wasn't. Got a little hole right here, a little dent. So I'm gonna knock this back down. Probably ain't gonna do all that on video. Back there, I'm gonna knock that down. So in the meantime, I'm gonna just put like the dampener on the spots that don't need no work. And I see like right here, I'm gonna just use like some RTV for right here. Like, that's not even that big of a deal. You feel me? Yeah, everything I see crack, I'm gonna just go over it like I did the outside. It is holding up good. See, you can't even tell I did it. It's stupid hard right here and through the seam. Look, factory. It's dumb hard, and I sprayed it. It's hard. So yeah, man. I'm pretty sure it's something I could put on there for cars, but one finna look for it, one finna look it up. I feel like I could use just regular black RTV because it withstands oil, so you feel me? But yeah, man, it was just like a regular video of me cleaning this out. Really, truly cleaning and gutting this out. You feel me? It's all the stuff I'm not gonna use. So probably when I put my insulation in my AC box, I'm gonna put my dash in. But yeah, man, that's how she looking. Look like a car a little bit. But yeah, man, till next time, y'all tune in. That's all I'm gonna say.